In this video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups that are related to the website News-jijemu.cc. News-jijemu.cc is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers too. News-jijemu.cc tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But clicking on allow is very dangerous and may hijack the browser with multiple pop-up windows. If you have clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, choose notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So remove all these malicious sites in case you find them here on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. I also recommend that you carefully investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start thoroughly researching and investigating the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.